and minimalistic. Please have a new art supply. Can you guess what am I drinking? It's so a lot of people ask me this question: are you a chai person or a coffee person? Neither, because a little bit of caffeine gives me anxiety. So still till date, I am drinking milk and this biscuit. I know this is not the ideal breakfast, but I'm used to this. Anyways, hi, my name is Aarti. I am a full-time artist based in Delhi. And if you're interested in art, artsy stuff and all that, this vlog is going to be for you. The agenda for today is that I have a bunch of projects that I need to do. Not a bunch, but like one or two projects that I need to shoot. And then I'm going out to meet my friends. And yeah, that is my day because it's my friend's birthday and we are going to cut cake for him. And I'm going to visit my college campus after a really, really long time. Anyways, let's see how much I can get done before stepping out. I think I've talked enough. Let me start my day. I got a bunch of stuff from Amazon recently. Let me show you. So this is the flat lay I was talking about. So actually, this is what helps me click pictures from my website. This is such a good investment if you're someone who records overhead videos of you doing art and stuff. These give you such clean and minimalistic backgrounds for your video. So I invested in these and I think I'm going to use this to click pictures for my website. And they also have a slightly darker shade if that's your more on your branding approach. So yeah, so I got these two and there is one more. You can find it on Amazon India. I will link it down below. Apart from that, I got one brush set because I wanted to paint some Bibles and wanted to do some watercolor. I tried it out yesterday. I made this painting and I really love it. Yeah, so this was something that I did in time pass just for the video purposes so that you don't see me struggle opening up a small package. I am going to use a scissors. What's the use of scissors when anyways I'll open it like this. I remember ordering something else. I don't know. Oh yes, I did order this. So this is another brush set. This is the round one. I think I saw a lot of people making flowers using these, so I wanted to purchase this. So now I think that's enough brushes for me. So this one is from Brustro, this one, and this is I think from Art Asia Professional Brush. Again, Amazon. Amazon is great. I purchased this. So this I think I could have gotten it for much more cheaper, but they were doing same day delivery, so I paid for that. This is a palette from Brustro. So I want to get into more watercolor and want to do more watercolor acrylic painting and so on. Not something high-fi, but I think this palette would be a good way for me. You can put all your colors here, mix it here, and you can put here and mix it here. If you have been doing painting, why am I telling you? But yeah, so I thought this would be a great investment. I got this for 250 rupees, which is quite expensive for this, but I think quality is good, and plus I got it like same day delivery. So I am happy. It's okay. You get one life. Why not spend it on art supplies? Am I right? Please have a new art supplies. So this is what I was talking about. This flat lay is great. So I have placed it just on my table like this. Now if I give you this overhead view, it looks great. It looks very clean and very aesthetic. So today I'm going to paint some Bible. This is my inspiration for this Bible. I'm a little bit weak on color theory, so that's why I'm taking help. I couldn't find something brown, so we are going to wing it with the blue shades. So it has mostly white, so I was thinking yeah, white goes with brown, I think. But let's see how it turns out. Before we get started, let me show you my setup. So I run my business from this table. I am forever going to keep this table, by the way. So yeah, so this is how my setup looks like. Generally there is a reference picture there, my article here, color paints, and if I have to record something I just do this overhead shot either in the landscape or vertical format. That's just me, my table, and my this is the most real I've ever been. Is like how I run my business, it is through this table. So every video you see, everything you see, I work here, I record here. So if you ever doubt yourself that you want to start something new but you don't have enough resources, believe me, start with whatever you got and you'll eventually upgrade, which I am hoping I do too. I am painting flowers using gesso and then I'll add colors to it. Another tip, don't mix water with gesso. I just realized. See, I'm learning with you guys. So that would be my tip. This is what I've made so far. I've clearly gone off road with my inspiration, but so far I like it. So just keep in mind that I'm very new at painting this flower thing, but I think it looks nice. I'm going to add some more detail and it will make the whole thing a little bit more shinier, and then I'm going to write the words. This is the final result. I don't know if you can see the golden shine here, but yeah, so this is how it looks like with the golden detail. I just have to find a good verse and write at the center. So this was my reference, and this is what I came up with. And I think this is what is called steal like an artist. Steal the things that you think will look good in your style. So that's what I did. I just copied some of the flowers here, but I put my own twist to it. And this will be available on my website soon, so you can go and purchase if you are interested. Or if there's a wedding coming up, a Christian wedding, and if you want a good gift for the bride and groom, I think this would be the perfect gift. Till the time it's not on my website, you can anyways DM me. I would love to customize Bible for you. The weather is quite nice, and now I'm headed out. Sorry for the audio quality, but now I'm headed out, and this is my outfit. I am going to North Campus. It's in Delhi University, and I'm excited. So I'm going there an hour early because I have a bunch of things that I need to do. I will be buying some new sketchbooks, like some new things. So I'll show you around. If you can hear me, I'm saying that I am trying to climb up the stairs wherever I can. So the escalator is right here, but I'm choosing to climb up the stairs. I don't have much confidence, but here I am recording in metro station. Anyways, I am halfway. I'm here at Kashmiri Gate. Now I'll change from here. Yeah, so it takes about 40 minutes from my place to reach my college campus. Another reason why half of the time I never used to come to college. My friend has reached, so she has told me it's raining outside. Yellow Line is an underground metro, so I have no idea. Let's see. Uh, I think it's raining heavily, but I do have an umbrella, thank God. I am no longer a cool girl who doesn't carry essential stuff. Since it was raining, I was not able to go and get my sketchbook, but I had a great time having coffee, talking to friends, and now I'm headed home. This is also actually where I used to come when I was in school, and this is bringing a lot of memories back. हम यही वेट करते थे अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ. I think I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for coming along with me, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I was planning to vlog the entire week, but I thought let's start with a day. But let me know if you want a week in my life, or would you prefer a day in my life, like short vlogs like this. I had a great time recording this, and yeah, thank you for watching. Do subscribe this channel for more art vlogs and tips and tricks on how to do calligraphy and art stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.